In this video, we will explain why apps won't delete iPhones and possible fixes. Several reasons can hinder the removal of an app from your iPhone. Not enough memory for updating apps. Faulty apps. You've set up deleting restrictions. The apps are pre-installed. MDM restrictions. Here we will show you some tricks to try when your iPhone fails to uninstall an app. Fix 1. Reboot iPhone. If it is a tech glitch that's hindering your device from uninstalling the app, rebooting it may solve the issue. For iPhone X and newer versions, hold power plus volume down keys at the same time, then slide the power slider to the right to switch off the device. For older devices, hold power plus home button till the slider shows and power off the device. Fix 2. Remove restrictions for deleting apps. You may have set deleting restrictions on your iPhone so that no person can make changes on the device. Step 1. Head to the Settings menu on your iPhone, then to Screen Time. Step 2. From there, proceed to Content Privacy Restrictions and click on iTunes App Store Purchases. If you use a Screen Time passcode, enter your code to proceed. Step 3. Under the Store Purchases Re-downloads option, click on Deleting Apps option and choose Allow. Once done, you can now try deleting apps from your iPhone. Fix 3. Deactivate the 3D Touch menu. This will bring the X button to enable you to remove the application. Fix 4. Utilize Settings. Step 1. Find the Settings application on your device and click on General. From there, proceed to iPhone Storage. Step 2. Scroll down to the app you want to delete and click on it. Click the Delete App button to remove it from your device. Fix 5. Delete the app from App Store. Step 1. On iPhone, launch App Store and click on your profile at the top to proceed to your accounts page. Step 2. Look for the application you want to delete as you scroll down to locate it. When you find it, swipe left on it. This will bring the option to delete. Click on it and choose Delete. Fix 6. Download iOS updates. Head to the Settings menu on your iPhone and find General. Click Software Update and then allow the phone to find new updates. Then download and install the iOS update and see if the problem is fixed. Fix 7. Reset Settings. Step 1. Head to Settings on your iPhone and click on General. Go to the bottom of the page, then choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. Step 2. Click on Reset, then choose Reset All Settings on the menu. Fix 8. Use iTunes. You can manage your apps via iTunes and also delete files like apps.